correct talk made me ashamed of the video draft that I was working on that I deleted yesterday. Fresh out of Ikoyi, I was using hashtag justice reform and hashtag prison reform because Q2 are there for nothing from. So it's a shame that time made me forget. You get a court date and come to court. Like I was lucky. I had privilege. Dogs came through from. You get a court date and come to court. Get 2 minutes in the dock. Get another adjournment for 4 months later. Go back to hellfire on earth. Chronic hunger, malnutrition. Niggas grow fucking veins on their skull, guy. Demons everywhere you look. These niggas will tear you apart from. You know what I'm saying? It's just that they are fucking rules, right? Like one rule that I liked was no whining. Don't play practical jokes like all these fucking pranksters on fucking social media. Don't fucking play a practical joke on anybody inside. It's like rule number 1, sef. So, degrading life, like packing septic tank with pent bucket on your head. High walls, man. Niggas who couldn't deal and lost their mind and saluted in A block. Hellfire on earth. We pray twice daily. The Muslims and Christians take opposite corners, separated by the waters of life, you know, and respect each other. If you stay religious inside there, it's just so you have hope that someone is hearing you in your desolation. Then your 4 months adjournment calls up. You're headed to the van, straight to court. You get your 2 minutes in the dock, and no one at all, because the judge or DPP didn't show, and you return to hell for another cycle. Don't forget your niggas inside, fam. I mean, don't go and overextend yourself either. Demons are desperate, and hell is filled with them, fam. Hashtag Nigerian justice reform. Hashtag prison reform. By the way, my judge was an angel. No cap. It has come to my notice that I make a pretty good, what do I call it? Consultant. Yeah, I make a pretty good mmuo consultant. What would you value my services at? How much? Let me know my worth.
Alright, so this thing I'm about to say now, I saved it for Saturday because I know the people I want to address, they don't go to work on Saturdays, you understand? So they go to their house now, doing social media, maybe relaxing. So I did sure say they'll see this video. The judges in this country, a lot of these judges, High Court judge, Supreme Court judge and the rest, a lot of una, now God na go help una, because plenty of una no get human feelings, you understand? Do you know that a lot of people have been in prison for 4 years, 2 years, 3 years, because a judge no gree sign? When it reach time for judge to sign, they'll say judge head the penal. They'll say judge back the penal. They'll say judge go one party. They'll say judge go relax. I'm telling you, because of ordinary signature, people don't do that kiri, don't do prison for 2 years. Some of them, I say go prison and you can understand where they come from. And you people will not relate because I never ever get anybody in this position. But if you ask people whether they don't get brothers or sisters, whether they go court every time because they won't make judge sign, you can understand what I try to talk. Do you understand? Some people, if you go to the prisons now, let's say there are 200 people, about 169 will be on trial. Do you understand? They'll be on trial. Some of them for petty crimes. When it all reach time for them to go court, if they reach court, they'll say judge no day. They'll say, say the judge called in late that she's sick. Madam, they are paying you well. Oh God, they are paying you well. They are paying you well. People's lives are going. People's life they waste. People life they waste. For crime where we say they're supposed to have 1 month, pay fine of 2K, 3K, 5K, 10K, 15K, 20K, 50K. When I go leave and the thing go reach like 4 years. But I don't care because our son and our daughters know they are prison. When I don't care because our family members know they there. Like I said, you people that I'm talking to will not relate. Like the audience will not relate, but you the judges, you know what I'm saying. And you know I'm not lying. And if the case won't come bad, maybe you dey fight one person where get influence. Do you understand? They could just deliberately they do the judge. You get how they tell you run am. Judge no go to show up. Judge no go to show up. I know what I'm telling you. People don't understand. People's lives are going. People's lives are going. The judiciary system in this country is scattered, but I don't know. The judiciary system in this country is scattered. When I go to blame, go to say, police do this one, police. When I never reach courts. When I never reach courts. Go see the judicial system of this country. You go fear this country. You go no see this country, no get where they go. Innocent people, they prison. Even the ones who commit crime, petty crime, they there. Why? Judge know they are available. They keep adjourning the cases, adjourning. 1 year, adjourn. 2 years, adjourn. 3 years, adjourn. 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. With the person thief, they sell stolen property, give the person 90 fam. Okay, yes, you don't do your finding. No be into am. Okay, then sign. Judge no day. Judge no day. She go her pikin the wedding. Judge no day. Him go in friend, colleague birthday. But you people will not relate until they happen. But Nigerian judges, nobody don't address them, nobody don't talk on our part. But because of my experience, I know what I'm saying. Do you understand? Because of the people I saw in prison, I know what I'm saying. I beg. People's lives are wasting. Help them. I beg. People's lives are wasting. Help them, please.